Last week, it was Mason Amos. Yesterday, it was Kian Baclaan who tore his MCL and will be out for the rest of the season para sa DLS. You know what time it is? Hands in. Damn. Like, imagine you paying your residency. Hindi ka naglaro ng halos 1 or 2 taon sa UAAP just to play for LaSalle, just to play for at least one of your final years. Kasi parang hindi pa naman yata ito yung final year ni Kian. Pero, damn. Be in that situation again. Lalo na kung ikaw siguro si Coach Topex, parang, what am I supposed to do now? Because that's frustrating. That's sad. Kasi yung kalagitnaan ng season, obviously DLSU is struggling. They're currently at a 3 wins and 3 losses record, which is decent. But if you're watching the UAAP and you've been supporting DLSU for quite some time, alam mong hindi ito yung nakasanayan. And to have another star player down, kasi nauna na nga si Mason Amos, means na panibagong adjustment na naman. Just when they thought that they've already adjusted, in the absence of Mason. So Jacob Cortez would really be the man stepping up, and he did doon sa kanilang nakalaang laro. Would this also mean na mas lalo pang lalalim yung guard lineup ni Coach Topex? Mga hindi niya ginagamit from the previous weeks ay magkakaroon na ng playing time considering Kian's situation. But yeah, man, if you're a DLSU fan, if you're a basketball fan in general, you hate seeing this. Best wishes and get well soon para kay Kian Baclaan, man.